Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, you will create your first Hello World project and then you will compile and run it locally. So for creating a new project, I'm going to use Golang as my code editor. You can use Visual Studio Code or any other editor that you like. I'm going to call my project Hello World. Again, you can name it anything that you like. So once we create the project, it's an empty project without any line of code inside it. Let's create our first file. I'm going to call it main.go. You can call it anything, it doesn't matter. Every source file starts with a package name. Go programs are organized into packages, and a package is a collection of multiple source files inside the same directory. So when we compile the program, all the source files inside a package gets compiled together. The main package is a special package which is used with the programs that are executables, and this package must contain a main function, which is a special type of function, and it is the entry point of a Go program. So let's declare our main function. To print a hello world message, you can use print function from the fmt package and just give it a string called hello world, and it is going to print it when you run it. Now you would have seen my fmt import happened automatically. Golang does it for me. If you're using any other code editor which doesn't do it automatically, then you may want to write it yourself or use go import command. Now, before you run this program, you need to check if your current project directory is inside the gopath src directory. For me, it is inside the gopath src directory, so I don't need to do anything. But if yours is not, or if you are unsure, then you need to initialize Go modules in the project before you run the program. More details about Go modules will be covered in the next lecture. For now, just initialize the Go modules, and to do that, you need to run the command go mod init followed by the GitHub repository name or your module path. After you initialize the Go modules, you can run the main.go program. Now to run this program, there are multiple ways. The first one is you can just right click on main.go and select go build main.go, and it will run and show the output. The second method is you can use a terminal or command prompt to execute the go run command, which is go run and then the file name.go, and you will see the output. The third method is to build a binary or executable and then execute the binary. For this, you need to execute go build.command, and it will output the binary in the same directory. Once you get the binary, then you can call the binary using / followed by the binary name, and it will show the output. So if the commands doesn't work for you, then there is something wrong in your Go installation. You might want to go through the installation lecture again and fix it in your computer before proceeding to the next lecture. So if the commands work, then well done. You just wrote your first Go program, and you will write so many more throughout the course, and it is gonna be an amazing journey. See you in the next lecture.